Mwanchumu rigaria mokonyi umurai wiki amagia Jubilee Dr. Fred Matiang'I niko bono aecokirie na komochia kiombeke rigeterete OBOCHORI ne chimbebe aiga Kenya kia Iebc asebona atebire nigo kiombekio kia orokirie buna tiketi tayari guchiokone kia OBOCHORI obubwene no bwasio ko mwako gocha aiga nkubwatekana ne mirobirio Matiang'I agoteba egendote kone kiwa ere mamincha neri chika sensemo ye bunge ya Olkalau obusio OBOCHORI oboketari kombination nemo chomotienye.
I would like the chairman of Iebc and his commissioners, and I know some of them from their workplaces. I can Professor Adwal and so on. I worked with them when I was VC. I know some of them. I can't say they are dumb people. They are smart people. But I want them to go sit in the room and ask themselves this question. On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being highest possible confidence and 1 being the least confidence, where do they rank in Kenya? In my view, they are falling below 5 in terms of confidence. The Iebc is watching blatantly when the government is engaged in historic bribery and vote by history. It has never happened in Kenya. What we are seeing now is sometimes you wonder whether it is a government that is desperate. I don't know why this government is so desperate to win that seat. They are so desperate that they are doing incredible things. I mean, all of you guys have seen them. Mattresses, gas, cookers, what have you, boats. You have seen all those things happening. I want the chairman of Iebc today to remember Mr. Samuel Kivuitu and how this country to trouble after the 2007 general elections. Because the chairman of the Electoral Commission then said that even he did not know who actually won the election. Now, I don't know what language to use to express them. And what they are doing, the level of confidence in them. I want to say this boldly. The level of confidence in the Iebc is going below average. They're watching those things happening. And then the chairman comes to a press conference and speaks sheepishly, as though he doesn't have powers to do. So, anangojea firimbi ya nani to act. He's waiting for who? Sasa kazi yake ni kupata orders from the executive branch of government. Have you seen abuse of the law? And it's as if actually the commission is insubordinate to the office of the president and to the executive branch of government. Now the chairman of Iebc has insubordinated himself to the president and to the government, when in actual fact he's the one who's going to moderate the electoral process through which the president has to renew his mandate or lose it. So what confidence Kenyans have that we are going to have a free and fair election with that kind of Iebc? They are walking Kenya to a crisis themselves, broad daylight. They're walking the country to a crisis. Because if they don't manage the election, if what they are doing in Olkalau is what they are going to do in the election, God forbid. I mean, how? What is going on? Cabinet ministers, senior government officials, executive branch officials, principal secretaries, civil servants, blatantly engaged in a manner that shows that they are totally untouchable. I mean, surely,